I opened the book to page 444 in The Power of Love, and it's Fran Grace talking about the students in her class wanting to do an experiment to test the power of their intention. This is what happened. They reached into their backpacks and pulled out 2 empty plastic Gatorade bottles and a container of boiled white rice. Here's our equipment. We want to make it a class experiment. I looked at them and asked, how do you propose to go about this? Well, they answered, we want to see if hateful words have a different impact on rice than loving words. We'd like to put the rice into these 2 bottles and label them 1, we hate you, we want to kill you, and 2, we love you, we thank you. How long do you plan to run this experiment? I asked, hoping it would be short-lived. 2 weeks, and we'd like for the entire class to participate. We thought it'd be cool if we vocalized the words to each bottle at the start of every class session. So they taped the words onto the 2 bottles, and at the beginning of every class session, we took each bottle one by one and spoke the words on the label to the rice in that bottle. And the rest of the time, both bottles sat on the shelf in my office, and if I happened to think of it when I was in my office, I vocalized the words on the label to the rice in that bottle. Here's what happened. At the end of 2 weeks, the rice grains in the hate bottle had decomposed into mush. The rice grains in the love bottle remained mostly intact. When I opened the bottles, the rice in the hate bottle exploded and splattered my hands, desk, and chair. The students called this an explosion of rice guts. Of course they did. When I opened the bottle of love rice, nothing occurred. It was peaceful. Though I had taught the importance of loving intention for years, I was quite surprised by its effect on rice. Thanks for playing book with me. This is Kath DeStefano, the Tune-Up Times.